Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Authentically say, in 1950, Dr. LOHIA stated so. I'm not going much on the subject, but in the age of 57, he lost his life. He was fully healthy. What happened to him? A prostate gland operation table. You see, it was not a risky affair, risky operation. But the greatest opposition politician in our country at that time, there were two important patients, one Pandit Deendayal UPADHYAY and other Dr. LOHIA. LOHIA lost his life, a surgeon's knife was that, and there was an inquiry. The inquiry report says absence of providing adequate medicine and negligence on the part of the doctor. He lost his life at the age of 57. And he lost his life in 1967, and Deendayal UPADHYAY lost his life within 3-4 months after that, in 1968, February 11. I don't want to start a controversy on that aspect. But as a student of history, crowded atmosphere, in 1967 there was a political change in India, and two persons, backbone of that movement in 1967 was Dr. LOHIA and Pandit Deendayal UPADHYAY. Of course, center reports and other things are there, official records are there, CBI reports are there. So all these things may be subject to research by political students,